Today I'm in the city of Bremen, in the north of Germany. I'm here to visit the House of Glockenspiel, or House of Bells. The music that you're hearing is coming from those 30 bells, way up top there. It's where the house gets its name from, Glockenspiel. We'll get to more of that in a minute. There are 10 of these wooden panels that rotate within the tower. Each one is a carving depicting a different famous seafarer or aviator. I'm sure there's at least one name you'll recognize here. Before we get to the bells, let's take a look around. Bremen is a beautiful city with lots of quaint German charm. The porcelain bells, or Glockenspiel, were added to this building in 1934 in honor of medieval tradition. They were originally painted blue on the outside and gold on the inside, though in 1944 the bells were damaged during World War II, and the new ones are now white. Thankfully, none of the wood panel carvings were damaged during the war. The bells ring 3 times a day, and each song lasts about 9 minutes. This tune must represent lunchtime, because I'm getting hungry.